At Bywood, it's a real multicultural community. We have about 221 ELs. We have Arabic speakers, Bangla speakers, French speakers, Spanish speakers, of course, and also languages like Mayan and Quechua.
The EL students come to us with their rich cultures and heritage, and we embrace their cultures and celebrate them in various ways.
One of the things that is amazing and fabulous here is this newcomer program that we have. This is the Sail, and then we also have the Soar. And it's so wonderful for the children because it's really integrated and touches on so many different subjects like math and science and reading and social studies. And we can have that all here for the students. And it's very interactive, so they can come up to the screen and they can touch and we talk about it.
One of the things that we do here in the EL program, we do both pull out, where we pull out students to our classrooms, but we also do push in. When I push into a classroom, I try and meet my kids where they're at and see how I can best help them. If it's math, I might get up in front of the whole classroom and help with some keywords and important numbers. And with ELA, if it's a story, I really like to draw upon their backgrounds and their culture.
Researchers have found that when a student's language and culture is validated in a safe environment and is encouraged in the classroom, it gives them an opportunity to develop positive academic literacy.
So we use learning targets throughout all of our building. If you go into any classroom, you're going to see that learning targets are in every single classroom. When they come out here to the trailers to EL or reading, MTSS, they're still going to see learning targets. The importance of learning targets is the repetition that the students have. They see the same vocabulary, they learn it, they memorize it, they know it. So when we have first or second graders that can explain to you the word identify or demonstrate, they're doing that and they know that because they're using those words with learning targets. In the beginning of the school year, I put up a learning target that said I can teach Miss Woods a word in Spanish. I had a small group of second graders. They were all Spanish speakers. I had 5 boys, and we had the best time. They were teaching me something from their culture, and they all gave me a word that you had to roll your R's, which they thought was hilarious. So by having a learning target and starting our school year with them teaching me something made a significant impact in our relationship.
When you talk about or ask them questions about their culture or their language or where they're from, they light up. It makes them feel like you're interested in them, you value them, and you respect their families and culture and where they're from.
Last year, Dr. Manfrey put out to the teachers and staff in Upper Darby a program through the Midwestern IU where we could get our EL certification, and I decided to go ahead with the program and received my certification at the end of last year. And I am a new EL teacher here at Bywood.
I am a brand new EL teacher here at Bywood, and this experience has been amazing for me because I studied abroad in college and I worked with children in Peru and in Spain, and coming here really touches on all the diversity and the culture and the language that I had in other countries. And now I have it all here right under my fingertips, and it's just an amazing place to be an EL teacher.
And it's a great program because it allows all of us here at Bywood and in the district to better serve our learners. As our community of EL learners grows, we need to meet them where they are as EL teachers.
I am an English language learner teacher, and I'm teaching English, but it is important that our students, our families know that we embrace their culture, we embrace their home life, and the diversity that we have here at Bywood.